if you want to get people to believe in your fantasy world, then I can recommend you to learn from this conman in the noble art of falsifying evidence. The video I'm watching today have the title International Shipping Software Proves Flat Earth, and I found it on David Weiss's DITRH channel. So let's watch that video.
What you're looking at is a leaked screenshot from a secure terminal at a major European shipping hub. This is a portion of C++ source code that runs the back end of a global fuel calculation engine. For years, we've been told ships navigate on a globe using great circle routes. But this code suggests that behind the scenes, the industry had to disable the globe math to make the logistics work. The internal comments state that standard spherical trigonometry, globe math, was causing severe calculation errors, especially for routes in the southern hemisphere. Ships were arriving with fuel discrepancies because the distances produced by the globe model didn't match real-world travel time. So the developers implemented a workaround. They switched to a planar projection based on the Gleason grid. In this system, the North Pole is treated as the center, and the world is projected outward. Here's what that means in plain terms. On the ship's bridge, the user interface can still display a 3D globe to the captain, because that's the industry standard visual. But the back-end engine, the part that actually calculates distance, fuel burn, and arrival time, is operating on flat plane logic. The code even labels this reality adjustment. And if that's accurate, then the implication is huge. To save money, reduce fuel errors, and keep schedules consistent, the industry quietly moved away from globe-based calculations and replaced them with a Gleason-style projection decades ago. It works, so nobody asks questions.
So that was the complete video. DITRH followers think this is a great video. Did you spot any problems with it? You don't have to be a programmer able of understanding C++ to spot the errors. Let me point out a big error. So let's reverse so we can see one of many clear errors. I have marked it in blue. Earth radius 6,371 kilometers. It was stated in the video that the system used the Gleason's map, so let's use that one. The radius in this case must be from 90 north to 90 south. So according to the statement in the video, that distance must be 6,371 kilometers. And what is the real value? 20,015 kilometers. Let's see, how much bigger is that number than the number they are using? 3.14. Anybody recognize that number? Once again, David Weiss have proved that he's a con man, fraud, liar, cheater. Hope you like this video. I will be back soon. See you. Have a nice day. Bye.